Hello everyone. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to explain our 2021 Strong Workforce Application Upload Tool. This tool will help us bundle all of our applications for Strong Workforce into one presentation for Dr. Reyes and Dr. Ramirez. Please upload all your applications by June 1st, 2020 at 5 o'clock p.m. It'll give us enough time to meet all our deadlines. First, you're going to enter your name and email so that if we have any questions, we can contact you quickly. Next, you're going to enter the official title of the LA Regional Project. For this example, I'm going to use Business Engagement. So the lead for the Business Engagement project is Salvatriz Cumo, and she is with Pasadena City College. And the last thing you're going to enter, or the next thing you're going to enter, is your budget amount. So for this project, I'm asking for $120,000. And then you click on Browse and navigate to where your application is saved, and you double click the application and it will be uploaded into this form. Next, you submit. And when you see this thank you screen, your application is in. Immediately, you can go to your email and see right here that your application was submitted. If you make a mistake, I've included an edit link. If you click on this edit link, you can go back into your application and fix whatever you did wrong. Upload a different folder if you'd like. Take out the old one and resubmit that, and it will come through right away, as you can see. This is the one I just submitted, redid it, I took that O off, and it's right here. Now the beauty of this is you don't have to email me or change anything via email, because when I download these, which will be June 1st, 2020, after 5 o'clock p.m., when I download these, I'll have the most current application. So hope this helps. Look forward to receiving all your wonderful applications. If you have any questions, I'm at extension 7045. Thank you.